Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with the water off, shut the main or localized stop, then open a downstream faucet to relieve pressure. Once drained, confirm the visible packing nut and compression nut. You'll need a 5/8 or adjustable wrench to hold the valve body. Remove any decorative cap so you can access the screw. You do this now because a pressurized line makes loosening nuts harder and risks water spray. Securing tools and lighting prevents mistakes. You loosen the compression nut until the stop assembly can be pulled straight out. Take your time to avoid rotating the tubing, which can leak. Once removed, inspect the ferrule and valve seat for grooves. Replace both if damaged, because even small nicks cause weeping. Slide the new ferrule and nut onto the pipe, insert the stop assembly, and hand start threading to align. Then tighten incrementally with a wrench. You want a firm seal without overcompressing the ferrule. This is why feel matters. You restore water slowly and watch the connection closely. Minor wetness within the first minute can settle, but persistent drip requires action. If a leak shows, close the valve, tighten the compression nut a small increment 1/8 to 1/4 turn, then retest, because over-tightening can deform the ferrule. If the valve won't operate smoothly, cycle it open and close to seat the parts, and only use light penetrating oil on external threads. If problems continue, replace the ferrule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.